problem is you drive it like a midget.
A driver what?
You drive it like a midget.
So you're not racist and you're being nasty. Okay.
At least the color matches your skin tone.
How's it? Okay.
But it is black inside.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Well, Asians are BE at the moment in this country, so can't put it on YouTube, you know.
You can.
It's fact.
Stating a fact.
It's fact. How's it, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, VW Sharon has offered me something very interesting to play with. Apparently it's in the workshop. Let's go have a look.
Let's go.
Okay, I see what she means. Yellow and yellow. Mm-hmm.
What a good looking car though.
Eh?
What a good looking car though.
Yes. Yes. Hey guys, I've been really spoiled today. Sharon gave me a Tumeric yellow 2018 model Golf R. It's fully specced. I mean, it's got the adaptive cruise control apparently, it's got the LED lights, it's got 19-inch Philadelphia rims, it's got, wow, carbon fiber mirror caps. That's a special touch. It's got, it's yellow, and this
Gold. I'd say gold.
gold, yellow, like me, but this is cool.
Very aggressive car.
This is cool. This. Everybody wants this. This is cool. It's got the LED lights at the back, quad exhaust, PDC, reverse camera. This car is fully loaded. The color is fantastic. I can't express how much I love this color. Sunroof, panoramic. This Golf R is spec'd really nice. This is the 7.5 facelift Golf R, which has mood lights on the door and the sill. It's got the active display, which is the digital display, as you can come in and see. So the interior, like I said, has the active display, fully digital, full leather steering wheel, looks very nice with the R logo. The console is so beautiful. It's just one piece of glass. Fully spec'd car. Okay, let's start it up and see how it sounds. Oh. Hey guys, let's take it for a drive.
Let's go.
This is a fantastic place to be in.
And what's the verdict?
Yo, it's nice. This car is really, it's premium. You actually don't feel like you're driving a Golf 7 GTI or a Golf at all. You actually feel like you're driving something more premium than that. And that could be because of the active display, the digital display that you got. You can see it's got the sat nav on your right in front of you, and it's got the sat nav at the center console. This really looks premium. Everything is nicely done.
That's a nice place to be. The finishes are nice and solid.
Yes.
It's minimalistic.
Yes.
It still has the classic finishes from a GTI. The little
Correct.
notch steering wheel makes you...
The bottom, flat bottom steering wheel.
There, just make sure you're still driving a GTI.
Paddle shifts. And you can hear the engine noise. It's something special underneath the engine bay.
It's actually quite interesting how they got this 2 litre to be so throaty and growly.
It's very throaty. Hear that? Wow.
The rain is actually probably the best place to test this today.
Correct. This has 216 kilowatts, 318 newtons of torque. It's got the full motion drive, which is basically like a quattro in the Audi. So it is in its element in wet weather, wet road. This is where you want to test this car. Now that we stopped, let's do a little. I'm not going to use a launch control, but let's just hear the engine noise with the shifting. Okay, let's go. Wow. That was cool. Small. Big. Small. Big.
So the big one is because you can't see out your squinty eyes properly.
Yeah. That's racist. Why so? Okay, that's fine. You're not driving the car back.
So can you stop talking now so I can drive it as well? Wait till then.
I don't know, we're used to Bucky's. I'm not sure if you can handle this power.
Racist!
What? I can't be racist, I'm Asian. And you can be racist. White man.
Yeah.
Oh man, driving this car, it gives me so much joy and smile. That growl sounds like a V6, but it's not a V6. Guys, guess who's driving?
Me?
Okay, just watch your road, okay? Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, share the video.
Share it with your friends. Mom, dad, family.
Sisters.
Yeah. Especially your sisters.
Cheers guys.